whispers great. Mountains hum where the thunder plays. The sea is dancing wild and free. Who will wear the crown? Who will it be? Crown of storms, crown of storms, born from the chaos, born from the norms. Crown of storms, crown of storms, who will rise when the sky transforms? Lightning writes its name in the sky. Rain's a drummer, no alibi. Trees bend low, they talk to the ground. Who will wear it? Who will be crowned? Hail and howl meet in the night. The wind's a rebel, no end in sight. Crown of storms, crown of storms, born from the chaos, born from the norms. Crown of storms, crown of storms, who will rise when the sky transforms? Echoes echo in the valley deep, secrets the storm was sworn to keep. A crown so fierce it chills the bone, but power's price is all alone. Through the mango tree, sunlight dancing pon the endless sea. Me heart a drum beat, steady free. The Yaad a call, it speak to me. The Yaad vision, it a glow, it a shine. Roots deep in the earth like the grape to the vine. The Yaad vision, me hope, me shrine. Every corner a story, every moment divine. Rusty gates sing when the wind pass by. Coconuts sway like them touch the sky. The rhythm stars a wink, the moon a guide. The yard hold me tight, me can't hide. Inna the silence, me heart collide with the yard vision, me soul abide. Behind the hill, shadows stretch but the air stands still. A spark inside my chest won't chill. Oh, I feel it rise, I feel it glow. A heat that only my soul can know. Fire within, it burns so bright, keeps me warm through the coldest night. Fire within, can't put it out. Hear me whisper, then I shout. Raindrops fall but they turn to steam. The sky is gray but I still dream. This heat inside fuels my regime. Oh, it lifts me high, it keeps me free. A flame that no one else can see. Fire within, it burns so bright, keeps me warm through the coldest night. Fire within, can't put it out. Hear me whisper, then I shout. Smoke rising slow from the mountain top. Green fields below where the children hop. The sun dips low in the ocean's lap. The rhythm of the earth goes tap, tap, tap. Ganja mine, ganja time. Feel the rhythm unwind. Ganja mine, ganja time. Leave the worries behind. Roots grow deep. I hear the drum, it speaks my name. Through time and space, it feels the same. Kaya thought, oh, set me free. Rolling waves on a calming sea. Kaya thought, it's all I need. Roots grow deep from the tiniest seed. Fire burns but leaves no ash. Love can heal what hate can smash. The wind it sings, the earth it hums. Life's a dance to the bass and drums. Kaya thought, oh, set me free. Rolling waves on a calming sea. Kaya thought, it's all I need. Roots grow deep from the tiniest seed. Clouds are dancing high and wide. Feet on the ground, but I ride the tide. One thought grows, it multiplies. The truth is near, but it wears disguise. Mind focus, keep it steady now. Mind focus, show me how. Drifting waves can't pull me down. Mind focus, I wear the crown. Raindrops tapping a slow refrain. They drum the beat inside my brain. Roots grow deep, I feel the strain. But every struggle leaves a gain. Lost in haze, I hear the call. Stand up strong, don't let me fall. secret rhyme. Mountains stand tall, but they don't boast. Nature sings loud, it's the perfect host. Mine soar high and free. Catch the wind like the waves at sea. Mine soar, don't look back. Ride the breeze on the reggae track. Echoes bounce through the open air. Bassline thumps like it doesn't care. Heartbeats sing to the dubwise sound. Feel the earth spin round and round. Mine soar high and free. Catch the wind like the waves at sea. Mine soar, don't look back. Ride the breeze on the reggae track. I left my shoes by the old mango tree. The wind whispers secrets meant only for me. Time crawls forward, but I still stand still. A shadow chasing dreams against my will. Yaad, where the rivers still run free. Yaad, where the earth remembers me. Can't go back, can't rewind, but the roots hold the key. The sun sank low where the hills meet the sky. A songbird cried, but the echoes won't lie. My hands hold the soil, my heart holds the flame. Every leaf tells a story, every drop calls my name. Yaad, where the rivers still run free. Yaad, where the earth remembers me. Can't go back, can't rewind, but the roots hold the key. Raindrops dance on an old zinc roof. Every sound a rhythm, every crack the truth. I carry the scent of the ocean's breeze. The past like a wave still washes my knee. Yaad, where the rivers still run free. Yaad, where in the sun like the earth's fruit. Silent strength that never asks why. Roots hold the secrets no gold can buy. Oh, the ground it speaks, every crack it bleeds, truths of a time so deep. Rise up, rise up, rise up the roots, deep in the ground where the truth shoots. Rise up, rise up. Rise up the roots, dancing in the sun like the earth's fruit. Whoa. Can you hear the drum beat down below? Echo of the roots where the lifeblood flows, through the cracks where the wild things grow. Oh, Jah knows. Oh, Jah knows. Sunrise peeks through a smoky haze, ashes dance where the fire plays. The earth hums low like a lion's growl, feet press the soil with the rebel's prowl. Roots rebellion rising high, underneath the open sky. No chains can hold what's grown so deep. Roots rebellion never sleeps. Drums like thunder, they shake the ground. Truth in the rhythm, the lost are found. Leaves whisper secrets to the sea, a chant for freedom in every tree. One by one the walls decay, stone by stone they fall away. Ooh. Roots rebellion rising high, underneath the open sky. No change can hold what's grown so deep. Roots rebellion never sleeps. that stand still. The rhythm flows like a rolling hill. Time ticks soft and the echoes play. Lost in the dub where the soul must stay. Hear it rise, feel it climb, let it cleanse the edge of time. Thought pure, thought true, let it shine right through. Thought pure, thought bright, guides me in the darkest night. Bassline hums like a steady prayer. The rhythm holds me, keeps me there. Smoke curls up, the stars look down. A peaceful mind where love is found. Golden clouds, they wrap the sky. Mountains whisper, rivers cry. The lion sleeps but keeps his eye. Throne of Zion, high and free. Roots run deep like the tallest tree. Throne of Zion, calling me. Echoes dance through the burning sun. Every heartbeat, we are one. Chasing shadows till the day is done. Firelight glows, hearts ignite, rising up into the night. Throne of Zion, high and free. Roots run deep like the tallest tree. Throne of Zion. Yaad the elders did start a rhythm, a chant, it live in we heart. Them days of struggle still carve we path. Dust and dreams, them build we craft. We history, we roots, we song. Echo upon the wind, it can't go wrong. We history, we roots, we song. The beat stay strong, the beat stay long. Drum talk true, the bass can't lie. The stars them watch as the years roll by. From the cane fields to the city lights, we story walk, it never take flight. Who we be? Who we see? The mirror of the tree. We history, we roots, we song. Echo upon the wind, it can't go wrong. We history, we roots, we song. The beat stay strong, the beat stay long. Ancestors whisper them set we fit. The chains them break, the voices rise. We chant for truth under endless sky. Speaking ancient sound, heartbeats rumble through the ground. Clouds are dancing, sky so wide, freedom's knocking open wide. Zion morning, rise and shine. where time won't chase, washing troubles, leave no trace. The earth it hums, a sacred place. Feel the warmth, Jah's embrace. Zion morning, rise and shine. Feel the rhythm, so divine. Zion morning, soul alive. One step closer, leave behind. Chasing the truth where the lion still cries. The wind whispers low, but the drum never lies. I walk the Zion path where the spirit flies. Zion path, through the storm and aftermath. Zion path, feel the fire, feel the wrath. The hills hum a tune that the ancients still know. Roots in the earth where the mighty trees grow. The river runs deep like the stories they show. The Zion path leads where the soul will glow. Every step a heartbeat calling, every stone a tale unfolding. Every step a heartbeat calling, every stone a tale unfolding. Zion path, through the storm and aftermath. Zion path, feel the fire, feel the wrath. Ashes to ashes, the cycle turns round. The drumbeat of life is a sacred sound. The stars guide the way when the sun's underground. The Zion path is where hope is found. A seed of hope, the desert sand. A weary soul still makes a stand. The mountains hum, the rivers sing. shakes the streets. A lion roars, the dawn awakes in Zion's arms. No heartbreak, Zion peace, Zion peace, where the storms of life release. Zion peace, Zion peace. Let the troubles fade, let the love increase. Oh, the drums they speak, they echo wide, a voice of strength, a place to hide through fire